What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kristen, and I'm back with another video.
Don't wanna fall asleep, fall asleep, fall asleep.
So as you can see, I'm in my cheer uniform. Yes, and I'm doing this video because tonight was a very special night for me. It was my senior night. No, but honestly, like, tonight was literally insane. Like, what? First of all, I'm a cheerleader. Like, if y'all know me since I was like a freshman, I was like, yo, I'm never becoming a cheerleader. Not gonna happen. It was just like always soccer for me. And then this year, I just like, I decided to be a cheerleader. And like, it's been literally so fun. Oh my God. But like senior night, if you don't know what that is, it's basically where your school like represents all the seniors who did sports for the year or whatever. And I did cheer, soccer, and I was manager for volleyball. But as you can see, I have a lovely basket and some flowers and all this stuff back here. And I was like, yo, I want to do like an unboxing video of like reaction to everything that I got, and you know, I don't know. So if y'all like it, keep watching. If you don't, you can click off. It doesn't matter. But let's get into this. So like, I want to save the big basket for last. You know, take easy steps. But so first, let me show y'all the flowers that I got. These are from my parents. They're so pretty. Look, the white roses. Yes, I love them. They're so pretty. They smell so good, bro. Wait, bro, why do they smell like a certain kind of candy? Like, bro, now I'm gonna know what candy I'm smelling. Do y'all do that? Like, when y'all smell stuff, do y'all be like, yo, like, I'm smelling a certain type of scent and I want to know like what it is? Like, bro, because this smells like a candy and I don't know what. Like, what? It's alright, it's alright. Yeah, these are the flowers. They're pretty. I love them. I love you, Mom and Dad. Thank you. Thank you for all of this. Yes, love you.
What the fuck was that?
Is this candy bouquet? I guess that's what you want to call it. All these, bro. I'm starting to get so many cavities. Look at all of this candy, bro. Like, what? It's not gonna be good, but it's okay. Because I love sweets. And bro, for a person who is like, everybody says this is like, bro, you're so skinny, or you're hungry 24/7. Like, it doesn't make sense. I eat like literally all the time, and I don't know. And this is all gonna be gone probably like next, I don't even know, probably this weekend. I don't know. It looks good too. I'm gonna eat some tonight, y'all. Oh my God, wait, let me show y'all like one of my favorite, bro. I'm gonna start crying, bro. Okay, so for anyone like who doesn't know, at my school, I'm very close to a lot of people who work there, and my counselor, like college counselor, and my, I don't know what you would, because she does like photography and stuff. I don't know, but she works at my school, and literally like they did this for me. Like, look how cute this is. They made it and everything, and then like these are my friends right here, the homies. Bro, if y'all seeing this, y'all already know I love y'all. Look. And then because I like to cheer, and then I just like start, bro, this is so cute. Like, it's going up in my room. I don't know where, but it's going in my room. I love it. I love you guys. If you're watching this, thank you. This is so cute. This is like literally like one of my favorite things in this whole thing. It's so cute. So this is from my I don't want to say cheer coaches, because I have 2 coaches. So basically it's this chocolate rose, if you all can see it. Oh, wow. And they got some socks, you know, they always got socks up in there. And then it's like a fake flowers, but it's still pretty. Oh my God, and look, it's in this cute like little glass. Bro, I can put stuff in here. This is, I literally, like, bro, I did not think I was gonna get all this stuff. I don't, bro, this is crazy. Like, I can't. Okay. That's what my voice. Oh, we got the baskets. Bro, I said I was trying to carry this out of the car, and I was over here, like about to literally fall over. Like, this is, bro, this is insane. Oh my god. Oh, oh shit. Okay. Oh my god, this is also nice. Okay, so first we have some Sour Patch Kids. Oh my god, if y'all don't know, that's like one of my favorite candies. I literally love them. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. What? I'm such a real dancer. Look. Oh my god. What? I'm in love with that. Oh, what? Oh my, these are so cute. These little Riverdale earrings. Bro. Yeah, oh, this is cute. It's a little senior water bottle. Look. Oh, this is cute. It's an elephant. Because my mom is a Delta. She really wants me to be a Delta. You know, elephants. Socks. That's not, yo, I'm sorry, but whenever like older people give you gifts, they always have to put socks in there. I don't, always, it never fails, but socks, and I need more socks, so like I love it, so thank you. As a kid, I used to hate getting socks, but like I love getting socks. Oh, we're Sour Patch Kids, y'all already know. Ah, some Skittles, yes. Yo, I'm telling y'all, I'm finna go crazy, bro. More Skittles. I already know. Oh, this is cute. It's a little coaster. It says faith, hope, and love. Oh my, that's cute. I love y'all, bro. Like, I'm really finna start crying. Like, bro, please don't cry. Please don't cry. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all see me get emotional. There's some M&M's. Bro, they did not. They did not. I'm done. They really trying to make me cry. I can't. Look what they did. If you don't know, if you can't tell by my room, I literally love Justin Bieber, okay? Like, Justin Bieber is my world, bro. And they got me a Justin Bieber t-shirt. Okay, alright, I'm done. Bro, turn off the camera, we done. Done. Bro. And a Riverdale t-shirt. And a Riverdale t-shirt. Oh, this is, bro. What? Bro, I'm done. Star Wars. Ooh. Tattoo markers. That's cool. I already know if I can. I don't even know. I'm gonna get myself some tattoos. Oh, this is awesome. Bro, look. I don't even know if y'all could. Yo, y'all can see it change. What? It says welcome to Wakanda. And on the back too. Watch. Bro, I wanted this. I really wanted this, y'all. Okay. So, like, at my school, if y'all don't know, my dad works at my school, and every morning we do, like, devotion, and he uses a book called Jesus Calling, and it's basically, like, the Bible, but, like, Jesus is telling it from, like, his own point of view. So, it's, like, he's talking to you, basically. And, bro, like, I wanted one so bad, and, like, I didn't even tell them that I wanted it, and it's for teens, so this must be, like, the teen version. You know, so like teens can understand it or something. I don't even know. This is so cool. I'm finishing my Bible teacher tomorrow because I take Bible tomorrow. this is, bro. Y'all don't know I'm an artist too. They got me a watercolor book. Yes. Wait, these metal straws. Yes. Metal straws. Ah. I know y'all like, she a physical girl. She cute. Yes. I really want a hydro flask too, y'all. My dad is, bro, I've been calling him Visco Dad because like he always be talking about when we go to restaurants and stuff. He said, you better not open up that straw. We saving the turtles. Like, you better save the turtles. Oh, this is cute. I'm so crying, bro. I'm gonna cry now. Y'all finna make me cry and I can't. It's two other sketchbooks. Bro, I literally, oh my god. Like, I can't comprehend everything right now. What? What? Okay. Alright. Alright. Cut off the camera. We done. We're done. You know, but honestly, I just want to say a big thank you for everybody who was involved in this. My parents, Ms. Tyson, Ms. Harris, Ms. Robertson, all of y'all, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, y'all literally don't understand how much I, like, appreciate this, love this. It just, y'all saw me about to cry, like, 3 times in this video, like, bro, it's like, I know that y'all really know me, bro, because, like, all the stuff y'all had in there, like, bro, and it's just the fact that I don't even like y'all giving me this stuff. Like, y'all help me through like so much, and it like y'all make my school days like so much better, bro. Because I go through so much at school with y'all know, like with my parents working there and everything, and it's just like a lot of the times I feel like I can't handle it, but like y'all always help me get through it, help me through everything, college and all this stressful senior stuff. Y'all have been there for me, and I just want to say thank you. And I love y'all. Love y'all big. Love y'all this big. Can't even show y'all how much I love y'all. And if y'all watch the video, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.